Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to normalize your video audio for YouTube in Davinci Resolve 19. So if you're currently working on your videos for YouTube and you're using Davinci Resolve 19 for editing, you can easily normalize your audio perfectly for YouTube. Let me show you how. Once you're in Davinci Resolve and you have your video on your timeline, simply right click on that video and click on Normalize Audio Levels. Then you want to click the drop down here from the sample peak program and you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find YouTube. Click on this, then click on Normalize, and that's gonna do the trick for you. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.